Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're old, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing, commenting, liking. I see them all. If you just see my face for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to click that cute red button that says subscribe to my channel so we can enjoy this ride together. I'm sorry I haven't been here in a couple of weeks. I've been going through a lot and I've been working on some projects, so I'm just here to tell you that I have finally written my book. For people who know that I have been writing a book, I've been writing this book for the past 1 year, and the book is finally available for pre-order. 50% discount, also a video on how you can use these products I mentioned in my book to achieve flawless look, and also get free access to a consultation with me as well. So I'm going to drop the link to where you can place your order for this book in my description box below, and I hope when you buy this book is going to give you so much value for your money. And let me know what you think about it when you eventually buy this book. For the 14th, if you pay for the book, you get the book for 1,500 naira. So I'll leave the link to where you can purchase this book in the description box below. This book is just as the title says, how to build your personal makeup kit on a budget. So over the years, I noticed that people are always confused on how to get products together and how to build your personal makeup kit. I see a lot of people buying makeup products over and over again on the search for maybe this one was not my shade, this other one was not my shade, or that they just have too many makeup products that they end up not using, or they even have and still don't know how to use it. So this book, How to Build Your Personal Makeup Budget, is a guide, a step-by-step guide on how you can build your personal makeup kit on a budget and in no time. So I listed some things you need to know before you walk up into that store to make your purchases. What you need to do, what you need to know. You need to know your skin types, you need to know your skin undertone. Your personal lifestyle can also influence your beauty buying choices. For example, what I mentioned in my book is if you're someone who doesn't like makeup, I don't see any reason why you should be looking for full coverage foundations or full coverage powder. You could go for sheer foundations, or you could use BB creams or CC creams. Those ones have like very light coverage on the face. So you look for foundations that don't really have too many coverage. And for one who always likes to keep it calm, I don't see a reason why you should go and buy colorful eyeshadow colors. You should be able to buy colors that are neutral, so colors that have neutral tones, the browns, the edge warm tones, and the rest of them. So this and more I talked about in my book. So if you purchase a copy of this ebook, I forgot to say the book is an ebook. If you happen to purchase a copy of this ebook, please do let me know. And I'll just drop the details in the description box. If you also have the Amazon Kindle reader on your phone or on your system, I will also drop the link to the Amazon. I'm also going to drop the Amazon link in the description bar below. Thank you so much. I am going to be back to filming and YouTube in a couple of days, probably next week. Before then, till I see you again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you buy my book, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.